Hello and welcome to Shelter Mode, the premier YouTube channel for shipping container living. In today's video, we feature a modern 3-bedroom shipping container house in Tivoli, New York, United States. Stay tuned to find out more about this modern shipping container home. If you are looking for modern floor plans for container homes, a weekly update on case studies for most influential shipping container homes from around the world, plus detailed articles from our building guide for shipping container homes, feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel for these and more weekly videos. Check out our website sheltermode.com for lots of free resources, modern floor plans, and blueprints. If you like our videos plus our valuable content on shipping container living, feel free to support our channel on Patreon through the link in the description below. Without further ado, let's get started. This stylish two-story house sits on a 9.5 acre lot in Tivoli, New York, and it's built using shipping containers to create a total of 2,580 square feet of habitable space. It is a very charming and comfortable house, perfect for big families, brainstorming retreats, or friends coming together. The containers sit on a pier foundation to elevate them away from moisture. The elevated position of the house is ideal to create an outdoor living space to complement the constricted indoor living space. The ground floor accommodates the living room, the dining room, and the kitchen, while the second floor features the bedrooms and spacious bathrooms. The large glazed openings create a seamless indoor-outdoor connection to the landscape. The front door opens into a lengthy hallway with stunning radiant hardwood floors leading into an open floor plan which carries you through each room with a serene indoor-outdoor flow. The living room exudes a modern but rustic ambiance with polished cement floors adorned with floor mats. There is a wood-burning stove to keep the house warm during the cold seasons. Floor-to-ceiling sliding glass doors overlooking the lush grounds with lots of natural light streaming in and creating a sunny and welcoming atmosphere. The interior spaces are jam-packed with flamboyantly eclectic array of art and furniture plus indoor plants. The living room has a generous dining area that can comfortably seat 6 or 8 depending on the need. The sliding glass doors offer views out onto the expansive gardens. The corrugated walls of the shipping containers are also visible in the living room, and they are painted light to make the interior space appear brighter and spacious, awash with natural light from the sizable glass windows, helping to kill the claustrophobic feel of living inside a shipping container box. The home's kitchen is a bright modern space, updated with pricey premium-grade appliances, wooden countertops, and custom-designed cabinets. A door from the kitchen opens out to a lovely outdoor dining area, a perfect spot to entertain friends and family. The floating staircase from the living room leads to the second floor level of the house, where all the bedrooms and the 2 bathrooms are located. Each bedroom has a balcony that overlooks the luscious greenery that surrounds the property, and The master suite has an electric fireplace to keep the bedroom warm during cold evenings. The radiant floor gives gentle warmth to the house, keep it comfortable during winter, and ceiling fans are installed to give a summer breeze to the house. The bathrooms are equipped with spa-like fixtures, a rainfall shower head, a huge bathtub overlooking the lush green surroundings, and under the sink storage cabinets. The interior walls and ceilings of the bedrooms are painted white to make the spaces feel brighter and spacious. The potted plants ease tension and lower stress, creating a relaxed, happy atmosphere inside the house. In addition, you can enjoy outdoor meals on the covered terrace with an outdoor day bed and breakfast under the honeysuckles, which offers unrestricted views of the surrounding property. The entrance of the house is designed with a covered patio, which offers a sheltered entry to the house. Apart from the vibrant colored entrance door, as a sustainable design statement, the grooves of the corrugated container walls are clearly visible throughout the exterior, helping to emphasize the industrial style of the house. Large sliding glass doors provide adequate ventilation and daylighting into the container house. The large openings and frames create a seamless indoor-outdoor connection to the landscape, to the green landscaping and the trees around the building, helping to soften the industrial language of the design. A sparkling soaking tub, lounge chairs, and incredible outdoor dining experiences are surrounded by rolling lawns and lush landscaping. The original container cargo doors are retained, and the spaces are fitted with generous Juliet balconies to create a seamless indoor-outdoor connection. This beautiful home is great for large families and outings. It is listed for sale by Nicole Vidor Real Estate, starting at $795,000. You can check it out through the link in the description below. We love everything about this amazing family container house. Which part of this house appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you like this video, as usual, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. Remember to subscribe to these and amazing weekly videos on shipping container living. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. If you love shipping container homes or you are planning on building one, our YouTube channel is a one-stop shop for a complete guide on how to design, how to build, how to insulate, and a collection of hundreds of blueprints for container homes designs. In addition, we also cover case studies of the best homes made from shipping containers from around the world. For this and more, feel free to subscribe and remember to click on the bell so that you don't miss out on any of our amazing weekly videos. You can also contact us on our website sheltermode.com or follow us on social media platforms through the links in the description below.